What's good, y'all? It is your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks, here with an unboxing and review. So this is special. This is for Valentine's Day, actually. So I ordered these kicks for my wife. Now, my wife is not a sneakerhead. She does have a couple of pairs of, a little pair of dunks, like a mid dunk. She's a runner, so she has like a lot of running shoes. I'd love for her to get into my kind of kicks, but it is what it is. You like what you like, right? That being said, a long time ago, we did cop a pair of fours that we both liked, which was the laser fours. I still have my pair. We gave her pair away a while ago. I don't know why. I don't remember why. She got the little baby feet, cute feet. So I said, you know what? Maybe it's time for her to dive into fours again. So I copped this thing for her. Shout out to JD Sports for getting this one. Actually went pretty fast. I was surprised. I thought it might sit. It looks like it's kind of popular with the ladies. All right. So we got the pretty red box here for Valentine's Day. Her little baby foot size 7 women's. Let's see what we got in here. This is cute. All right, so it comes with a little Jordan postcard, the kisses, all that good shit. Boom. Nice paper, the kisses. Like I always say, though, it's not about the box, it's about the kicks. Yeah, these are cute. Jordan 4, Valentine's Day. I think that's what they're called too. We got a nice cover there to protect that. I'm pretty sure these colors might bleed. Wow, she's got really tiny feet. Really cute. Anyway, yeah, so here we go. We got the little heart hang tag. That's cute. I mean, what can I say? If you follow, you know that Jordan 4 is my favorite silhouette. So I love these. I mean, to be honest with you, I could probably pull these off myself. I didn't think that they were looking like this. Look at that. Little lips on the back. That's cute. It's a dope colorway. I don't know. Maybe I'll get myself a pair. Shoot. Who knows? Anyway, as a backup, because my wife can be a little picky, I got these. All right. Now these I copped from Dick's. These dropped a while ago. I thought they were really cute, and they just happened to drop again recently. Well, they restocked anyway. I said, you know what? This might be a nice backup option in case she doesn't like the Valentine's ones, or whatever. You like what you like. So we got this nice tan box. Again, it's another Jordan 4, size 7 in women's. These are these are super cute too. These are what they call the cozy girls. I think, to be honest with you, she's probably gonna run a rock with these instead. Beautiful color, tan. Got the fuzzy little laces there. I think it comes with regular laces as well, if you want to mess with that instead. But these are really cute. I think that these are the ones that she's gonna want. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Also, I got her a little shirt too. She's a big coffee drinker like me, so had to get her this cafe swoosh. Really cute shirt. She likes stuff like this. So, I don't know. I think I did good for Valentine's Day. Let me know what you think. Anyway, it's your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks. Like, follow, subscribe, tell a friend. Peace.
Got 2 gifts. You can keep one or you can keep both. There's 3 gifts actually. So that's one.
Jordan. Excuse me.
I know you said that you weren't really into them when you saw them, so I got you a second option. No, well, check the second option. They're cute, right?
But I have to try this too. I think.
You can pull them off.
Yes, thank you. This is another Jordan. Hey, Skin. These are cool colors.
You like that?
Yeah.
Those are called Cozy Girl.
They look cozy. Like suede, right? That's what it is.
With the floofy
Look at
laces.
tiny feet. I get. AC, what are you looking for? And this is what?
Read the front first.
Cafe swoosh. Oh, yeah, I love that. Yes. Can I keep the 3 of them?
You can keep everything.
Okay, I keep the 3 of them, and I will rock